I would like to ask you, how is the strategy for growth of the central bank fit in the issue of national sustainability for Georgia?
Sustainable economic development is very important for emerging market economy like Georgia. While main mandate of the National Bank of Georgia is the price stability, the way it contributes to economic stability is that low and stable inflation is absolutely necessary for sustainable development of the economy. Let's not forget that high inflation or volatile inflation does not allow economic agents to plan well, and once we have sustainability, price sustainability, it contributes to efficient and optimal relocation of resources in the economy, and economy is about efficient allocation of resources. That is why addressing inflationary pressures in this difficult period of time is very important. And this is a way, together with financial stability, for which National Bank of Georgia is also taking actions, is important for sustainable economic growth.
Mr. Governor, in March of next year, your term as governor ends. And I would like to know, what do you think is your main legacy of your work? And also, what do you think are the main challenges for your successor?
In hindsight and looking back, I think that National Bank of Georgia was able to implement many reforms in various directions. And if I name some of them, it would be resilient and much strengthened financial sector in the country, a lot of progress in financial education and consumer protection. At the same time, we developed comprehensive toolkit of macroprudential regulations, which became extremely important during pandemic and before the war in Ukraine. And one more important area I want to underscore is that a very thorough implementation of Basel III regulations, because this is what made Georgian banking system withstand the very difficult period of pandemic and equally difficult period of the war, to withstand these difficulties, and even more. Banking system was a locomotive for economic development, and it made sure that the economy continued to grow. Last year we had more than 10% real growth. This year most likely it will be also very high. So all this, I think, is quite a good legacy for the National Bank of Georgia. I think that what my successor have to do and continue, I think it will be still high dollarization of the Georgian economy and the Georgian financial system. We also had quite a good progress in this direction. There was substantial reduction in dollarization of the credit portfolio in the economy and deposit as well. But let's not forget that it's a long process. It has been going quite well, and ensuring its continuation will be the way to strengthen resilience of the financial sector of the Georgian financial sector.